Hello everyone. Now I'm here to tell you how you can print 30 or more than 30 certificates within a few seconds. And we are going to take two files. One is the selected certificate that I have taken on Canva, and the other is the list, the names of the students who are getting the certificate. I'm going to copy it, Control C, and then I am going to go to the apps here, and then I'm going to go to the bulk create option over here. Click on bulk create. There are two ways: either you connect your sheet through this option or from this, or you click on the data manually. So I'm going to click on it manually. Now while I am clicking on it manually, why don't you go and subscribe to my channel for new tools, educational tools that are going to make your work faster, more efficient. So here are the names of the students. I'm going to click on done. Alright, now here is the list, but I need to connect it with the design. And wherever I want these names to be placed, I'm going to click on it, click on the three dots, and then connect data. Click on it, and what data I want it to be connected with, the name is MT1. Alright, and then click on continue. These are the names. Yes, these are the names. Now it's going to create 30 designs within a few seconds, and ta-da! It's right there. Here are the 30 designs within a few seconds. Rather than I type, the computer has done it for me, and here they are. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.